Hello, and welcome to another update video about SUI. Yeah, here on this chart, we can identify a very choppy structure, pretty much nearly range-bound movement up here in this range, which is quite a volatile range though, but not really any impulsive price action anymore for quite some time now, at least for, I would say, for the last 4 weeks or so. While it has been moving a bit higher, this chart, it's been very choppy. It's become very choppy, which makes micro price action a little bit difficult to read. I mean, not impossible to read. There are definitely structures that we can identify that we can also add to the chart, but it definitely makes sense to be more on the side of caution here. I mean, the support area is clear. It is located still between $3.15 and $1.91. So structure really hasn't changed at all, or the relevant parameters haven't changed at all. The microstructure also hasn't changed over the last week or so. I mean, the idea is that we could still see further direct upside extensions, to be honest. Okay, that's still possible. That would be within wave 5 of circle wave 3. And then should the price push higher, we could still get this fourth wave pullback and one more high in wave 5. Okay, that's absolutely possible. The main point here of this analysis is that it points towards this key support area, which, as long as we're holding above it, the market could continue to grind higher, and it covers further fluctuations, right? It allows the market to move freely here in this range, you could say. Because even if we get that pullback, for example, to 239 or 191, it would be covered by the potential that this is just a larger wave 4 pullback. There's just not that accuracy that you can get here at the moment due to the choppy price action. Now, at the moment, I think at least we could make the case that this is some kind of a 1-2 setup. I'm tracking that potential on several crypto charts. They look like, many crypto charts look as if they could be close to some kind of a local low. SUI as well. I don't see this as a high probability setup, but it's a possibility as long as the market holds above 350. This would be an important level that needs to hold if this microstructure is to remain valid, because any break below the beginning of the wave 1 to the upside would likely, well, it would lead to invalidation of the 1-2 setup. In that case, then I would have to assume that this fourth wave could still be unfolding. Yeah, but if we go down also below the $3 mark, then I have to assume we're already in circle wave 4. Now, I'm not adding, micro support here and there. For me, it's about this support area. We have to give this price a bit of space in the current situation. However, we can still keep the focus potentially on higher as long as this last low is holding 350. Below 350, the focus will first shift to the $3 mark, which is the swing low from the 26th of November. So overall, I don't see this overall uptrend as complete. I still think we could see a little bit further upside early in 2025. That could be here a little bit more of an extension in circle wave 3, then circle 4, then circle 5, or maybe a more direct move down in circle 4 before we get that circle 5. But either way, I'd like to see one more high at least, I would say. Maybe even a little bit more, depending on how long this cycle extends. But bear in mind, much of that rally is already done. So we're looking at maybe another rally to 690, 850 early in 2025. That's the update about SUI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.